Payment $300, Spotify deposit, and we're making moves, bro.
Is that the end goal for us?
Yes, exactly.
We need clients that are happy. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ish, and we're back at it for the next vlog, guys. Vlog 3.0. But let me break down why I'm not in Miami on a jet ski. Okay, let's get it. I'm freaking pissed. Okay guys, so pretty much right now, I'm supposed to be in Miami on a jet ski, living life and going on yachts. But right now, I'm not doing that. There's a few reasons why. First of all, long story short, I missed my flight, but there was a valid excuse for that. Personally, I had the guy that's behind the camera driving me to the freaking airport.
Yeah, we went to the airport.
Big mistake right there. Second mistake is that there's this thing called a locator form that I was supposed to fill out and I didn't have that filled out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I procrastinated heavy and I should have been there on time. Our freaking tires popped. Okay, so you guys know the little spike things that you freaking drive in when you're going up a freaking community or something like that? We hit those on the opposite side and punctured 4 of our tires. After that, I literally ran into some random stranger's car and said, I need to go to the airport, please take me, I'll give you whatever. So he took me and freaking just shoved my suitcases into some stranger's car and went off to the airport. After I got to the airport, obviously it was already too late. And yeah, I missed my flight. So I'm here, lit, and I rescheduled it for Monday.
Yeah, Ish was supposed to be in Florida. Yeah, so Ish is back. I gave him a good hug as well before he left. Now it's just awkward, you know, I gotta give him a hug again. I gave him a hug when he came back as well. Welcome back. I thought Miami was like 2 minutes away when he came. I thought he went to the corner shop. Our cameraman's tires are all punctured. He has to get them fixed. It's heavy on me as a sales manager, you know. I have to now make more sales just to compensate for his, you know, like new flight ticket, for punctured tires as well, you know. I gotta make more sales just to fill out all these like new expenses. We'll see him leave today as well. I'm not thinking about giving him another hug, you know, like I'll just say goodbye from afar.
I spent 30 minutes like a CEO and he was back. I was supposed to be a CEO. I was like imagining a lot of things. Girls coming in the office, pizzas everywhere, a pole dance, a pole bar and dancers everywhere. And in just 30 minutes he was back. Everything vanished. Nothing.
Just posting some content for the content team, you know, you gotta help the boys out. And look what just came in. Payment $300, Spotify deposit, and we're making moves, bro.
Yeah, let's get it.
Another one.
Another one.
Yeah bro, so I'm working on these thumbnails. You can see, you will get to see this thumbnail in few days on the Labalo Group account. Just everyday tasks, daily tasks.
Yo Fazan, this client's asking why isn't his campaign ran yet? Why did you run his campaign?
Campaign, yeah.
What should I tell him?
Tell him soon. Give me an okay. Mitch? Bro, there's something I want to
Yeah, so it's fun to like, I love my work, bro.
bro,
So
we
fun.
are out of funds for that.
Bro, I literally just gave you $1,300, don't play with me right now. I gave you $1,300 yesterday.
Bro, I ran all the campaigns. There were lots and lots of ads.
How can you possibly spend $1,300 in a single day off campaigns?
Bro, don't ask me. Ask your sales team.
What do you mean sales team?
Bro, they logged in like 5,000 yesterday.
Bro, I gave you locked in 5,000, but how is it physically possible? They locked in yesterday. You're over here spending $1,300. These guys haven't even started their campaigns and they just started yesterday. What do you mean today?
Bro, let me just give you a simple math, okay? Only Facebook ads takes about $50 per campaign. And you expect me to spend less?
Bro, I get it, you're trying to do your job, but you just have to be more proficient and efficient with your job. You have to find the split test more efficiently. We can't afford $1,300, bro. That's a lot of money. We're spending $5,000, we're getting $5,000, but we can't be spending that much. We have to be very efficient with our money so we can make our clients happy. That's the end goal for us, right?
Bro,
Is that the end goal for us?
Yeah, exactly.
We need clients that are happy. So we need to make sure that this $1,300 goes to maybe 800 or 700. Will you promise me that?
Yes, I do. I can. But bro, we are re-optimizing the campaigns every day.
I need this number 1,300 to go to 700. Make it happen. Change the demo, change whatever you gotta do, split test, A/B, whatever you need to do, change this number. That just happened.
So what happened, Kazan?
Oh, bro, I don't get it. Sometimes he's so nice, and whenever it comes to like expenses and budgeting, I don't know, bro. He is a whole different person. I spend money on legitimate campaigns. I run ads on Facebook and on different social media platforms. Bro, I'm the operations guy. I re-optimize every single day. I'm trying to cut down the budgets as much as possible. Jeez, I don't know how to tell him that. He's so furious every time.
Bro, I was working and I just saw Ish was shouting on the Fizan and I was a little bit scared. Well, we need fun, so the Fizan is doing a really good job, but what we can say, like the Ish is like we have to cut down that amount. Yeah, Ish, so what happened there, bro?
Listen, Faizan needs to understand as a manager, he needs to figure out how to optimize the campaign correctly. If you need to drop the budget, drop the budget. There's no way you can justify $1,300 of ad spend within only 1 day, dude. I don't understand. I get it, I snapped on him, but this is something that he's gonna take in the back of his mind and he's gonna remember next time when he's optimizing, he has to optimize correctly. There's no way that we can be spending $1,300 on ads. Not right now. Have you finished the email campaign? Yeah, a little better. Alright guys, we're gonna jump out of this vlog for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. Today was a little bit more expressive in terms of, you know, getting the point across. Hopefully you guys appreciate that kind of content and you guys see that this is real authentic types of content that you won't see behind closed doors for sure. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and it really means a lot to us because we're putting in a lot of time and effort onto these vlogs. Hopefully you guys appreciate that. Anyways, it's your boy Ish and we're out.